Guys, so I got another video about the Z1 test pipe installation. They get here today, so I'm just already prepping, so when they get here I can already put them on. So what I'm using for the Demon bolts, it's breaker bar, a big one, and 3 extensions. Before I try to remove it, I sprayed it with PB Blaster, so it could loosen up a little bit. I tried using this, which my neighbor lent me, but this shit is weak. This shit just weak. So I'm gonna get this off right now. Should be easy. So let's do that. That was easy. Hard. There you go. So the bolt is off, guys, as you can see. There you go. It's off. Alright, so I got the car jacked up. Now I'm gonna remove the bolts on the bottom of the cats. These are easier. The Demon bolts are the ones that are a bitch. I'll try to record these, but if I can't, my bad. I already sprayed PB Blaster on them. I'm waiting for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. I'll just do it now. Fucking so comfortable. Just got here. I'll do a quick little unboxing. This is not the first time I buy Z1 test pipes. My G37 also had Z1, and then my HR had Burke. Other stickers. The reason on my HR I didn't put Z1s, it was because I think they're overpriced now. The test pipes used to be $225, I think, and now they're $269. So yeah, fuck that. Gaskets, bolts. There's one. Go. I'll get these on now, but I'm gonna do a cold start video tomorrow. I'm gonna buy a new battery tomorrow so I can start it for you guys, but I might just do a new video for that. For that video, I'll do like a cold start, do revs, or just wait till my car's ready so I can do a flyby and shit. With these, at least from my G37, I didn't get no check engine light. Well, I got it 2 weeks after, but then it just went away by itself, and never got it after that. So hopefully I get no check engine light with these. So let's get to the install. So guys, they are on. Sorry I didn't record any of it, but you know, it's pretty simple, just installing them. Show you guys. All 2 sensors all plugged in. Hold down. I forgot my ratchet. All the bolts in. Tomorrow I'm gonna buy a gasket maker, you know, sealant, just in case. I always add that when I do any exhaust stuff, just in case there's any leaks. They really help. And then tomorrow I'll give you guys a cold start and some revs. There you go though.